Welcome back here in my kitchen, my keto kitchen, Judy's Keto Kitchen. And today I am making a pizza. Now, I have before made my own egg white crusts and whole egg crusts, which I use for pizza. But sometimes, I want pizza and I'm like, oh, I just don't feel like doing that. I was going to make up a bunch and freeze them, and I'm like, I just don't feel like doing that. So I actually tried with the EggLife Egg White Wraps, and I did these a couple days ago, and it was amazing. So I can make my own if I want, but I don't have to, and I'll pay for the convenience. I am also using, and this is the Walmart brand of pizza sauce, and there's no added sugar. The only sugar is what's naturally occurring in tomatoes. So this is how we make it. I hope I can do this. My phone acts up sometimes. Okay, so here I'm making 2 pizzas. And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of the sauce to each crust, and I'm bringing it out to the edge so we don't have any dry edges. You can use less if you want, more if you want, just the macros will change. Actually, 1 tablespoon seems to be good enough. We'll just add another half here. So I was just so excited when I made these the other day. It's like, oh, I can have my pizza whenever I want it now. This is so, before it's like, oh, I feel like having pizza, but it's like, okay, well, I have to make up the crusts, and I just don't always want to do that. And then I measured out 1 ounce of mozzarella cheese. Yes, I do have the shredded because I was lazy. It's better to shred your own. You just spread it out to the edges. You can use more or less. We try not to eat cheese, which is why I was careful to measure ours out. Again, I like to do that, the cheese to the edges as well. But whatever way you like it best. Now, what I did the other day is I had some salami, and they're smaller cut salami, and they really didn't taste that great, so I actually put them in a fry pan. And I like to do this with pizza for me because then it doesn't get all greasy. So I'm fitting 6 pieces on here. You can add whatever toppings you want, onions, pepper, pepperoni, just cheese. It's whatever you want. Again, 2, 3, 4, 5. You'll just have to adjust the macros. So now I have heated my oven to 350 degrees. And what I did a few days ago, I cooked it for 10 minutes to cheese and everything melted, and the crust was soft. And that's the way I like it. I cut mine in slices. Carl rolled his up like a pizza roll. But today I'm going to do it for 15 minutes to see if it's a little crispier in case you like it crispier. So I'm going to put this in the oven for 15 minutes, and I'll be back to taste it. While my pizza is cooking, I just wanted to mention the books that Carl and I have written. This is Precision PSMF, a blueprint for weight management. And to go along with this, I have Precision PSMF Cookbook with several of my recipes. This is how I have lost and maintained my weight for the past 5 years. And I don't feel deprived. And it's very easy to do. And yes, around Christmas or July, whatever, I'll gain a few pounds, but then I go on strict precision PSMF for a month or two, and I'm back to normal. So it's just a way for you to maintain your weight. And I've struggled from my weight since I was 7. And so this is an easy way to maintain your weight in a healthy way. So, Precision PSMF Blueprint for Weight Management. Links to the books are in the description. They're on Amazon, but our ebooks are not, so we have links to those. I just love it. So after 15 minutes, I took the pizzas out of the oven. This is how they look. They're still soft, which is how I like them. So 10 to 15 minutes would be good. You might try 20 if you like it a little crispier. And I'm going to actually use my pizza cutter. I never thought I'd be using my pizza cutter. And I'm going to cut mine because Carl likes to roll his up. I'll just cut mine into 4. There. So here I have mine cut up into 4s. Carl's is still, he's going to roll his up like a pizza roll. So now I'm going to taste it, and it is going to be so good. Look at the stringy cheese. Ugh. This is so good. It really, when I'm craving pizza, this is going to be great. If I'm craving pizza and I want it today, I don't have to make my own crust. You can if you want. I can if I want. But it was more work than I really wanted to do. So, EggLife Egg White Wraps make great pizza crusts. It's just so good and satisfying. And whenever you're craving pizza, this is a great way to have a good keto. It would be carnivore if you didn't have the tomato sauce, but a great way to make pizza and stay strict keto. Very low carb, very low carb.